Oh, GTI! Oh my. Let's get that fixed. What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris. We're building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast, have a good time. You already know what it is. Welcome back. Yo, I'm so excited. Right here in this package, see what it says, has my last name on it. In today's video, we're at my work and we're working on the dub today. We're doing a little thing, but I figured I'd at least make a video about it, because if we can make a good video out of something simple, then why couldn't we make a banger out of something great? Anyway, so a while ago, I get pulled over, knock on wood, all the time for this one thing, right? License plate lights. So when I bought this car, that one was out, right? But then this one went out and I got stopped the other night for it. So, yeah, it's like one of those things that I kept putting off and putting off and putting off, but I kept getting stopped again and again and again and again for it. And luckily, every time I got stopped for it, they were really cool and really nice about it, but I have a feeling that, you know, this car may or may not be inspected. I'm not saying that it is or it isn't. But to get there, we gotta do this. So I ordered a little LED kit. It's actually kind of sick. You just get your wiring harnesses to run LEDs from said bulbs, and then you just replace the bulbs that are in it with the two LEDs, and then these just plug in and you kind of tuck them in. Everybody said it's kind of awkward to like hide these a little bit and to get it tucked in there, but we'll see what it do. I'm like hyped to be doing this little stuff because I don't know. It's gonna be way more hype when we do coils and then we do wheels and then like, she's finally coming together, you know what I mean? Like, I say that all the time, but now that I'm really seeing it, like coils, a clean ass wheel, yummy, ma. Oh, before we do the install, so the other day, I just want to put these clips in because I didn't really know what to do with them. The other day we picked up the homies and went for a little rip, so I will put those in right. See what happens? We're here with the boys. Go for a little rip. I feel like every time we hang out, I always have like 10 minutes, so we try to fit in like an hour of driving in 10 minutes. Holy f***. Everybody at the tire place, neck's broken. Man. Well then. Yeah, bro. That never gets old. Fucking just puts you back. We were spinning all the way. Literally second and third the whole way. You need a lot wider tires. Oh yeah. It's so sick. Oh my god. 2%, see if we can get a little footy.
Jesus Christ, Christopher! Why are you doing shit?
So funny.
That was the most forced laugh I've ever fucking heard of.
Good times had by all. Well, sick. See you later. Bye, man. Dude, this thing gets so spicy. I feel like it gets better like every time somebody gets a reaction in it. It's so sick. It's just so surreal. We were 4 people deep spinning in second and third. That was ridiculous. All right, let's get back to it. Yo, really quickly, I'm so excited about this. I'll show you guys this. Your boy upgraded the game, all right? Let's go, yo. Not only did your boy get a 360 cam, I got a draggy, right? So now we've got a draggy, a 360 cam, and I've got the right mount to go on the rear windshield. This summer's looking pretty good, boys. It's looking pretty good. Oh, I'm so excited. I just had to tell you guys that. Okay, back to it. Let's see what we gotta do here. I imagine this is really simple. They look like they have a little, they look like they just have this little clip right here and then they pop right out. And you know how we do it. We're not gonna look up a video or anything because we're making the video, dog. It just pops right out. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why is this so scummy? I'm really bad at doing how-tos, but I try to help you guys as much as I can. This, if you don't know, is just like a typical Volkswagen plug. You pop this little red pin, it pops out, and then you just push the whole thing down and then push this clip in, it should just pop right out. And then this is what I thought it was gonna be. This just turns back to the left and it should just pop right out. Oh, yo, this is dummy easy, what the hell? Then you got your bulb pops right out. Doop. You got the flat end like that. I'm assuming you're gonna take the flat end just like this, like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Yo, this video's only gonna be like 5 minutes. Harness in, push the red pin back in. Alright, this is the part that everybody said was kind of goofy. They couldn't figure out where to tuck the wire. One thing that sucks is like you can't see. This part definitely sucks. I can't figure out how to get this in there. It like won't tuck in there all the way without being pinched. Yo, we're doing dealership work out here. See how quick that shit was, dog? Turn, pop. Bulb out, bulb in, turn. There's toys! I say that and I can't even get this one in. Why will this not go in? Little part. Alright. Yo! The ultimate test? Imagine they don't work. Oh, this one's not working. Frickin' A. Was I not recording again, bro? Oh my god, what is with me today? The ultimate reveal? Oh, shit. Way better. She's looking great. We just need some upgraded taillights, right? Yeah, it's fine. So I'm gonna try to do it right now. We're gonna try to mess with it. I wanna put it on the back because I'm super anxious to try the new, yeah, let's just open it. I'm super excited. Let's do it tonight. I was gonna wait, but I really wanna do it. It looks so cool. I used the GoPro mount the other day, just messing with it to see how it'd come out, and it looks so sick. But now we have the actual, oh, I'll show you. I actually got the sick, like, not professional grade, but pretty clean ass triple suction mount. Folds out. It's got really soft suction cups on it, so you can tell it's actually halfway decent. I'm super stoked for this, dude. A 360 cam and the Draggy is such an upgrade for the channel. Like little stuff like that, I can bring you guys such good videos. That's why I'm excited for this kind of shit. Yeah, we should totally just send it tonight. Let's do it tonight. Let's make the video tonight about this. Let's do it. It's gonna be so cool. Dude, this thing is rugged. I could pull the windshield off before I bent it. Yo. It's so ridiculous, but it looks so cool. Yo, look at this. It's so crazy. What the hell? Oh, this looks crazy. All right, let's try it out. What the hell? This is so sick. It's literally ridiculous. Look at this. Bruh. I'm so hyped. Alright, I will be filming on 2. That way, hopefully, one or the other will get some footy. Alrighty boys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna jump right into well, dude, I'm so excited. I don't even know what I'm saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go down there and hit the like button. Sorry, it's a little random, but I just want to give you guys, you know, try to give you videos when I can because wintertime sucks. You understand. Until next time, just keep driving, keep it real. Your boy will catch you in the next one. Hopefully we'll have some dragging 360 cam combination once I figure it out, but so sick. Your boy's out. Peace.